Some of the key strains that have always been popular in the past decades that I've been involved in cannabis and, in previous decades that I hear about is Sour Diesel, OG Kush. Blue Dream was really popular in the early 2000s when it came out. Jack has its own unique terpene profile, which is similar to Trainwreck. They're like different departments of cannabis flavors. The purples, GDP, that's a very unique strain that was very popular here in the Bay Area. So there's different genres in a sense. And from all these, they have certain effects. Like the purples, the GDPs I just spoke about, they're known for giving you heavy sleep, couch lock, lethargic effects. Whereas stuff like Blue Dream, even Jack are going to give you more of a sativa effect. So these were all strains that over the years in the medical market, I've sold tons of all these strains. And it just so happens the past few years, it's all narrowed down to gelatos, exotics, stuff like that. However, there's always been these other strains floating around. So go out there, try these strains, figure out what's going to work for you.